Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe and click that button that says subscribe. Today will be a very special day, and there's one reason for that. You know why? Because today we'll be unboxing the Pixel 4. There is a sticker in the back so you won't have to use those knivies. Wow, so it's a nice packaging. Got a 64 gigabyte Pixel 4. Let's unwrap it. I see Google have been trying to make bezel-less phones without that ugly look. Like the iPhones, because they have like notches at the top, which makes it a lot more harder. If you watch the videos, it's going to be covering half of the screen. This isn't clearly white, so I like it, because last time my mom, when she got the original Pixel, she got the really black version. This is a Pixel 4 and it's really white. This isn't the XL version though, and it's nice. And I like the back, how it's so glossy. Charging adapter right here in this box. I really like how Google does this stuff. See, right here, charging adapter. And this is a USB plug. Just gotta take off some papers and you're all set when you're done. My mom brought this case, and let's see how it looks on the phone. My mom, for some reason, when she brought it, it said the correct stuff, but it was labeled on the wrong things. So that's the really confusing thing. Let's put on the case and see what it looks like with it. This is cool. See? I actually like it with it. Let's see. The orange button's the power button. See? See how slim those edges are? I see they're not really they're trying to make a bezel-less phone without making such a bezel. They have those bezel-less things with it, and they have, as you could see, there's a bigger one. There's gonna be some screens, and for this, the way they designed with the camera, I don't really. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of how they designed the camera. Like on the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro, they pretty much have that same square look on the camera, but anyhow, it's cool. Let's see, you're setting it up. Seems like an Android Pie, or maybe more updated. The main thing I really like about the phone is that it's not a super sensitive touch screen. The thing that's not really everyone's favorites is that there's no fingerprint scan right here in the center. Like the original Pixel, there used to be one, but now I guess there's a face scan. Yeah, I like it. Mostly the touch is kind of sensitive though, as what I would say. Just plug in this and then put that there, and then you charge it like so, and then you put this there like that. I'm a big fan of how the look is. Look, when I move it, it moves too. This is kind of like other phones where it has those moving wallpapers. See, when I move it, it's gonna move too. The thing that's hard and most people don't understand is that this home button. Sure, I'll guide you through it. So you're just like a regular phone. If you want more settings, pull down again. This is a SIM-less phone. I really like it. See, there's no SIM card or anything. There's no SIM card holder. I'm a big fan of no SIM cards. And you see here, it's a quite big screen. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had such a great time watching. If you did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time in the videos. Bye!